What's up, traders? And we are back. And what happened with SPY today? Exactly what we talked about. On the Fibonacci, we said we'd come back to the 50% and start making our way up, but we did find some rejection, guys. So we are not out of this bull run yet, but we did see the dip, and I got in on some nice calls. Nothing too fancy, but I did get in, guys. All right, let's head over to the 2-hour chart, guys, and we have a little bit of resistance going on with SPY. Here you go. All right, so SPY is seeing, and I'm going to highlight this for you because I love our colors. Okay, so we have our first resistance here, and now we have our second resistance there, guys. So is this the reversal for SPY, guys? I don't know. I mean, right now, what I see is a pullback, and potentially we can be back up in a bull run, guys. All right, let's take a look at the last time we had a 2-hour pullback, guys. And here it is, right? So we came down here, and of course, at some point we popped out, guys. And look, we're doing the same thing over and over. Okay, let me highlight this for you. Okay, look at that. We came down, and then we broke that resistance. And again, now we are coming back down. You see the same pattern? Okay, and now we've established some nice, let me get this over here. Really nice support here, guys. Okay, look at that right there. We have some nice support right there. Okay, but the challenge will be in here. Okay, what are we going to do? Are we going to climb back up, or are we going to fail and start retracing back some more? Potentially, but for now, okay, we're headed up. All right, guys, and here we have NVIDIA again. We talked about the same thing yesterday. It could come down to the 50% level on the fib and then continue on the way up, but nope. Instead, we had just an amazing gap up, guys. I mean, NVIDIA is up $30, $31 today. Now, what would drive that stock up overnight or over the weekend just like that? Usually it's news, guys. And here we have the news, guys. We had Goldman Sachs, okay? They upgraded NVIDIA to $800 in 12 months. So we are currently standing at $693 at the close today. So why did NVIDIA jump up today? That's the reason, because Goldman Sachs now is jumping in the upgrade game, and they ranked them up to $800. Now, what are you going to do? Leave me a comment below, guys. Are you going to jump in, or are you just going to wait for a dip? All right, now something else to consider with NVIDIA if you're going to play it, guys. Remember, you have, once we get a gap up, we're going to have a nice gap open right there, guys. So NVIDIA could easily start its way down here. And it did it one time already before. It can make its way down somewhere into this area and fill that gap. So that means that if you're going to enter, okay, if you haven't entered since down here, you run the risk of this area here. So be very careful, guys, when you're playing NVIDIA. Okay, guys, another stock that's worth mentioning today, and we talked about it yesterday, was Meta. Now, Meta, its retracement was 469, 465 area. It closed today at 459, guys. And we did talk about this, that it could retrace back there and then make its way up. But instead, it continued down, and it looks like Meta might be getting shorted right now. So what does that mean for Meta? Well, Meta's got to be careful because there could be a nice sell-off going on this week. Remember, just like I said with NVIDIA, guys, Meta now has the same problem, okay? Under 452, and we're looking down to around the 400 area, okay? Meta has a nice gap that could get filled faster than what you think, okay? And we could see this happening. And it only takes a few days, and that's what's going to suck for Meta. So keep an eye on Meta, guys. If you know how to short, that might be something you're interested to do. but Meta right now is still in a downfall. All right, traders, and one final reminder. Okay, we do have our offer still up for $1 a day, guys. You can get into the bull ring. We do have our beginner courses in here. We have novice courses. We have a daily watch list. You get to go in the bull ring live chat room, and you also get to see private YouTube videos, guys, that you require a link only to get in there. So again, reminder, $1, guys. You can learn how to do a lot of this stuff. And don't forget, guys, to subscribe. And if you're enjoying these videos, hit that notification button so you get a little notification and an alert every time I put up a video. And if you found value in any of these videos, and if you're finding value with entries, hit that like button, guys. It helps the channel out. Until the next video, guys, wishing you guys a green day.